Welcome. Today we are exploring the Aho-Corasick algorithm, a powerful technique used for finding multiple patterns in text simultaneously. It is a fundamental algorithm in computer science string processing. Imagine you have a large book and you need to find several different words at the same time. If you search for each word one by one, it takes a very long time. We need a more efficient way to scan the text just once and find everything. The naive approach involves scanning the text repeatedly for every single pattern. If you have 1,000 patterns, you read the text 1,000 times. That is very slow. The Aho-Corasick algorithm builds a smart machine first, allowing it to scan the text exactly one time to find all matches instantly. The core component of this algorithm is the Trie or Prefix Tree. We take all the keywords we want to find, like he and his, and combine them into a single tree structure. This organizes our patterns efficiently. The secret sauce of Aho-Corasick is the failure link. If we are matching a word but the next letter does not match, we do not start over from the beginning. Instead, we jump to the longest possible suffix that exists elsewhere in the tree. This prevents unnecessary backtracking. The first step is to build the trie. We insert all our keywords, such as he, she, his, and hers, into the tree. Each path from the root represents a prefix of one or more of our patterns. Next, we add the failure links using a breadth-first search. For every node, we determine where to go if the next character fails to match. For example, if we have matched sh and she, but the next letter is not e, we can fail gracefully to the node representing h. Sometimes, a failure link points to a node that completes a different word. For instance, if we find she, we have implicitly found he as well. We use output links to ensure we do not miss these embedded matches. Now we scan the text. We move through the automaton character by character. If we find a matching edge, we take it. If not, we follow the failure link. At every step, we check if we have reached the end of a pattern. This algorithm is extremely efficient. The time complexity is linear, proportional to the length of the text plus the total length of the patterns plus the number of matches found. It is much faster than the naive approach. This algorithm is used in critical real-world systems. Cybersecurity tools use it to scan network traffic for thousands of virus signatures. It is also used in bioinformatics for DNA sequencing and in text mining applications. To summarize, Aho-Corasick solves the multiple pattern matching problem using a trie and failure links. It runs in linear time and is a cornerstone of modern search and security tools. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.